Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Put your hands.
What did we do?
With access to hundreds of cameras, Target's Loss Prevention notices 3 girls acting abnormal in the clothing section of Target. 2 of them are quickly determined to be taking items and bringing them to a 3rd girl in the fitting room, who then hides these items inside her purse.
She's selecting more clothes to bring back. She's gonna bring back another pair of clothes to the fitting room.
So they just keep bringing more items back to the chick in the fitting room?
Yeah.
You guys recognize these females?
They've been here before. December, I was chasing like 2 of them. They dropped the stuff and they run. I couldn't do nothing. That's why when I see them today, I just let them know. Cause yeah, they see me, but
They're still gonna go. I said they're still gonna go.
yeah,
One of the 3 takes a phone case out of its original packaging, discards the packaging under some neatly stacked clothes, and hands off the unpaid case along with an air freshener to her friend. The other runner obtains a pack of Gorilla Glue, as well as a shirt, and gives it to her friend. The 3rd girl in the fitting room is not actively stealing, but is concealing everything for the 2 friends inside her purse.
And I have 3 on the fitting room on the side. Which way are they?
With the items concealed, the trio starts moving as officers watch to see which exit door they pick.
They go left, they're coming this way, right?
Yeah. They're at a lane right now.
I'm 11.
Oh.
I think they're going to that side.
The eastern?
Yeah, the pharmacy side. They're facing that direction, but I don't know if they're gonna. Yeah, they came into that door. Yeah.
Because they're kind of midway, right? Yeah.
Advise Bravo 13. It looks like they might be heading out the pharmacy exit. Hey, you see him? Yeah. Yeah? Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
What did we do? Wait. What the heck? I didn't do nothing. Wait. What the heck? I didn't do anything. I didn't say I'm getting arrested. Hold on, wait. My phone.
Chill out.
Wait, hold on. I need to call somebody.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Relax your hands.
Okay, I'm relaxing. Here, give me your phone. Wait, can you call somebody? Wait, hold on. Wait, I need to call my boyfriend. Wait.
Your boyfriend can wait.
Wait, am I? Hold on. I was on the phone. What the fuck did I take? Oh,
Hey, chill out.
okay, can I get my? Why the fuck is this whole recording?
Stop. Relax your arms.
Oh my god.
Like you said, you're being detained for suspicion of retail theft, alright? Yep.
You were like, no, why is she reporting me? But like, I'm already hard. What? Like, I'm already hard. What is she got me down? All because you was. Bro, I didn't even touch nothing. You were trying to buy brake pads for their car. What? I'm trying to chill, officer, but why was she recording me though? Like, is she allowed to do that?
It's a free country. You can record whoever you want.
No, that's not true. I ain't give her.
That's true. It's under the First Amendment. Freedom of speech. It includes pictures and video in public areas.
I'm not trying to start no problem. I'm just already mad. Like, I was on the phone.
Yeah, I saw you. You look pretty heated.
I was mad as fuck.
Hey, did you advise 3 detained or not? Okay. Bravo.
Why they laughing? Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Sorry, I had to turn off. Well, if I end up on TikTok, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad if I end up on TikTok. They're so weird. Can I see this one?
Have a seat next to it.
Yeah. Huh?
You have a seat right here.
You want me to go get this one?
I need the stuff in the bag she had. The Phone
Wait,
case.
wait,
The girl
So
with
the
the
black
gray.
person, the gray shirt.
Is
They
black.
put stuff in her bag. She has a phone case, which is this one.
No, it's the other one.
Whichever one it is.
Oh, I ain't taking it. I don't care. That one's my one.
And then,
It's
yeah.
the purple one.
Blue.
Wait, hold on. Y'all going through my stuff. What the heck?
I mean, you just let him. What the f is
What is
that?
that? Oh, air freshener.
And then the phone case. I'll see which
This
color.
is the phone case? Okay.
Did you have to do like in front of everybody? Bro, now my man gonna think I'm lying about getting arrested. But...
All right,
What you trying to
ladies.
pull him?
All three of you.
Yeah.
They're still doing their investigation, seeing whether or not they want to prosecute. Okay.
Alright.
I'm Officer Fenner with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I'm going to read you your rights. Okay.
Wait, time out. That's my. That mean we're going to jail if you're reading the rights?
Not sure yet. We haven't gotten to that.
Oh wait, can I see my?
Alright.
Wait, we can't see our phones or nothing.
Yeah, just hold on a
Can you
second.
take my Apple Watch out? It's like.
Hold on a second. Alright. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yep. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
But what does that mean? Like,
Yeah.
as in,
As in what?
Hey.
Like.
Given that you guys were just read your rights, you understand your rights, so they were read to you?
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
yeah,
That being said, do you want to talk to us?
fine.
Well, you have to answer if you want.
Yes.
You don't have to. Right?
Oh,
Do you wanna
but okay,
talk
that's
to
what
us?
I mean. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
yeah, go
fine.
ahead.
I
You willing
don't
to talk to
mind.
us?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Did you guys take anything that didn't belong to you?
If it's that serious, we'll buy it.
Yeah.
If it's that serious, we'll
That's
pay
fine.
for it. If they want us to do that.
Okay. So,
But I get what you're saying. Like, we shouldn't have
I
did
here's
it.
the thing. So, it's not a question of is it that serious. It's theft.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
It
understood.
doesn't belong to you.
Yeah.
You can't take things that don't belong to you. Retail theft is still retail theft. So it's not a question of it's just this or just that. That's not yours.
Yeah.
Right? It's not your right to take it. It's a crime. You can be taken to jail for that. Are you an adult? Are you 18? Okay, so you can go to county jail
Jail,
for
yeah.
Gorilla Glue. Like, is it really worth it? Right? You guys got to make smarter decisions. You see these cameras? These are like 4K, 8K, 12K, whatever they're up to now. They can literally track every single movement and zoom in onto your nose ring. Right? And that's what that guy does all day, every day. He tracks people that look suspicious, okay? And that's his job.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, officer is going to search all of you. Honesty goes a long way. When she searches you, is there going to be anything on your person that doesn't belong to you?
Oh wait. Hold on. I still got Aquaphor in my purse.
You still got what?
Aquaphor in my purse.
What is that?
Oh, like the Vaseline.
It's like,
Vaseline.
but it's
Yeah.
You got
Oh
one
wait,
on your
no,
person?
I do have a shirt in my purse. That's it.
Yeah, I forgot. I ain't gonna lie. I forgot about that.
just a shirt.
Anything on your body that you didn't pay for?
No, you can take me after that.
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
I'm gonna have you stand up. Turn away from me.
She got a Vaseline and one got a shirt.
She got Aquaphor, not Vaseline.
No,
Yeah,
she got
anything
Aquaphor.
in your body.
No, you can take it off.
Yeah, it's all got the pink hair.
God.
Yeah, dang.
The Febs be.
Girl.
They got the searchlight, got the
Yeah,
Febs
the
be.
does be smart.
All in the wig.
Yeah.
He's just going to know what's
Your
up.
brown.
Yeah,
Where's
I got
Howard?
two of them.
I got to pee so bad.
The Aquaphor.
Not that one. Not that one. That's mine.
Oh, what do you mean? This is yours?
Oh no, that's the
That's the
first one.
yours.
Yeah, that's
This is
mine at
brand
home.
new.
Yours is at home. Yours is at
Yours
home. Wait, why am I getting charged if I didn't get nothing?
Alright.
Oh wait, what did we get in charge?
What do we have in here? A
Just
shirt?
the shirt. Just that one. And then the rest of the stuff is mine.
And then what?
The rest of the stuff is mine.
Contraband.
Excuse me, I had to go to the bathroom really bad.
This is you?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Alright, stand by. I can take you in a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Place the shirt in her handbag. The blue shirt? Yeah, this blue shirt, and that's her ID.
What is your phone number? You don't have a phone number? How old are you?
19.
This one has to use the restroom. I can take her if you want me to. Or
Is it that urgent?
Yeah, I gotta go really bad.
If you don't mind.
yeah, I don't mind. All right, you come with me.
Let me go with her.
Can you pull my pants down, please? Like,
Hold them down?
yeah.
No, we're not.
What's the total?
He's getting it right now.
But you guys are going to prosecute total
Yeah.
25?
Yeah.
What that mean? Go to jail?
Go to jail.
That's what that mean? That's what they saying?
Hey, let me finish. So if you guys haven't been charged with retail theft in the past and you have a address here in the county,
Yeah.
we're probably going to give you what's called a notice to appear. So you're going to have a court date. All right?
Okay.
So chances are you're not going to jail, but
Thank
we still got to look into that.
Alright, that's fine.
How old are you?
18.
Yeah.
18?
$35.10.
35 and 10 cents?
Damn.
Shit add up quick.
And your friend, the one that went to the bathroom, she's 18 or older?
She's 17.
Of course she is.
Do I have to sit in these cuffs, bro? It's so uncomfortable. Do I have to sit in the cuffs? It's so uncomfortable. Well, I'm not even a criminal. I'm not even a felon or nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing to y'all.
You committed a crime, so
That's not a felony.
but it's a crime.
But
It's still criminal.
I get it, yeah.
The cuffs aren't made to be comfortable.
No, I'll bring you back.
Just want to inform you. So you guys are under arrest, but like I said, you're most likely getting NTAs, which is a court date. Which means you're not going to county jail tonight unless we find reason to take you to county jail.
Oh, okay.
So we're going in the car?
No. They gonna let us out.
Oh.
I'm going to try to call your mom, okay?
Wait, officer.
Yeah.
You gonna have to call her on my phone because she has the thing where random numbers can't call her. It's not gonna go through.
Hi, this is Officer Fender with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I want to let you know that your daughter has been placed under arrest for retail theft. She stole items that did not belong to her. With that being said, I need you to come to the Walmart so we can release her to you.
Are you married, single, divorced?
I know I'm gonna change over this summer, I promise.
What color hair do you normally have?
It's like a black and brown, and it's red. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you out of cuffs. I'm gonna have you sign this. I'm gonna have them wait you outside. Okay, you can wait for them. Just wait outside.
Raise your right hand for me. State your name, date of birth. Everything you told me today is truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Correct.
All right, thank you. So I'm going to release you to your mom, okay?
First and last name, yeah.
Free to go, all right?
Clear on where it's sitting in front of the house.
Probably.
The young ladies are charged with petty theft and released with notices to appear to court since this is their first theft charge. Under Florida Statute 812.014, petty theft is a misdemeanor defined as unlawfully taking merchandise from a retail store without paying for it. In this case, the girl is removing items from packaging, concealing unpaid merchandise into a purse, and attempting to leave the store without paying fits this definition. For the girl who claims she did not actively steal anything, under Florida Statute 812.015, retail theft, aiding or abetting, is when you're knowingly assisting others in concealing or carrying away stolen merchandise. Even if the girl with the purse did not physically steal items herself, she provided the space used to conceal unpaid items, making her legally responsible as an accomplice. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
If it's that serious, we'll buy it.
Yeah.
If it's that serious, we'll pay for it if they want us to do that.
Means you're not going to county jail tonight unless we find reason to take you to county jail.
Oh, okay.
So we're going in the car?
No. They gonna let us out.
Oh, God. What did we do? Wait. Okay, what did we do?
Well, if I end up on TikTok, I'm gonna be mad.
I'm gonna be mad.